Hi Celine sayang. Now I want to do work. See this. This is an extension, but it's already broken here. See, this there's three socket for this extension, but this one is already broken, and this one also only left one. So I need to replace this socket. It still can be repaired, so I'm gonna repair this. So what I'm gonna do, I have this one, see, so that I will unscrew this and then put here, and then another one, this one. Okay, so it still can be repaired rather than I throw it away, isn't it? So I'm gonna fix it now. Hi Celine, I just want to share my knowledge about wiring, electrical wiring. See here, there's 3 wire with different color, isn't it? This one green color, this one brown or chocolate color, and this one is blue. So what it means with this green color is earth, mean this wire going to the earth, the ground. So like if there's lightning strike on these things, so the electrical charge from the lightning going to through this wire, green color, and this one brown or chocolate color. Sometimes electrician technician, they use red color, but here they use brown. So this one bringing the current, electric. This is the dangerous one. That's why this one, if we touch, it can give electric shock. This one no, unless there's lightning, there's lightning strike on this equipment, this tool, then there's electrical charge here. But this one is always there. There's always current here. And then this one blue is like how to say, it's called neutral, means when this current goes to like tool, lamp or fan, then they go back through this wire, the electrical charge. This one I don't know, but I think not that dangerous if we touch it, but sometimes it can have current also. So that's all what I know. So now I'm gonna fix this socket. Okay sayang.